In today's rapidly evolving cyber landscape, the importance of robust defenses cannot be overstated. At Cybersecurity Technologies, our red team services are designed to simulate real-world attacks, exposing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. We employ advanced tactics, techniques, and procedures to mimic the strategies of sophisticated adversaries. Our expert team conducts thorough penetration testing, social engineering assessments, and threat emulation, providing you with actionable insights to fortify your security posture. By understanding how attackers think and operate, you can proactively strengthen your defenses. Investing in red team services isn't just about compliance, it's about resilience. With Cybersecurity, you gain a partner committed to enhancing your cybersecurity strategy, ensuring you stay one step ahead of potential threats. Let's transform your security from reactive to proactive.